Anthony Grasso here, bringing you financial news you can use. In this video, I'm going to do a further cryptocurrency analysis on Shibu Inu, which is known as the Dogecoin killer. I'm going to go over the likelihood of a Robinhood listing, the fake news reports out there and rumors, a few of the pros and cons of the coin, and do a quick price analysis, and give it my buy, hold, or sell recommendation at this current moment in time. And as always, folks, don't forget to smash that like button down below, definitely helps, and consider subscribing and hit that notification bell to get your daily stock and cryptocurrency reviews and recommendations from an unbiased source. So let's get right into it. So this video is brought to you by Webull, where you can get 2 free stocks by signing up on their platform, and also you can trade Shibu Inu right now instead of waiting for Robinhood to get on board with this crypto. Click the link in the description below and get signed up today. Okay, full disclosure, I do have a small position of the SHIB in my portfolio for fun. All right, so what is the likelihood of a Shibu Inu Robinhood listing? Now, I think they will eventually, and I think sooner rather than later. Robinhood already has the meme coin Dogecoin tradable at the current moment in time on their platform. They first and foremost are most likely worried about regulatory actions against them if they start adding more random cryptocurrencies to their platform, which a lot of them are flat out scams, and how to navigate what coin is a scam, what coin has an entire development team behind it, and what coin has just been created as a joke, but then built utility around it, like Dogecoin and Shibu Inu. Now, let's say in the future Robinhood accidentally lists a coin that they thought was a legitimate coin and it turned out to be a flat-out scam. That could be the death knell for the platform, and a lot of people would jump ship if they listed a scam coin. So now let's talk about some of the pros of Shibu Inu. Now, of course, letting it hit Robinhood would be a huge pro, and I think it will eventually happen, probably sooner than later. And I don't know if that's going to be within a day, a week, or a month, but I do expect that's going to come. All right, Shibu Inu has a passionate community of online supporters, and the community has been pressuring Robinhood right now to add Shibu Inu to its short list of tradable security cryptocurrencies. Now, the change.org petition calling on Robinhood to support Shibu Inu has gained more than 400,000 signatures. Now, Robinhood is yet to comment on Shibu Inu, but has reported $30 million in revenue from Dogecoin trading in the first quarter of 2021 after adding Dogecoin to its platform. Now, the financial incentive for Robinhood to add Shibu Inu trading may eventually prove too much to resist, for the cryptocurrency's popularity continues to grow. Now, one of the ways Shibu Inu developers are attempting to build its community and brand is by creating the Shiba Swap, which is a decentralized exchange. Now, this decentralized exchange is essentially a peer-to-peer exchange that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies without relying on an intermediary. Now, Shibu Inu is one of the 3 cryptos in its so-called Shibu ecosystem. Now, the Shiba Swap users can also stake their crypto to generate yield similar to interest paid on a savings account. Now, the Shiba Swap users can even track the returns in their bone folio and trade more than 10,000 unique dog-themed non-fungible tokens that have a wide range of traits and rarities. Now, in more positive news, US-based movie hall chain AMC Theaters is looking to expand its crypto portfolio in terms of accepting payments. Adam Aaron, the CEO of AMC Theaters, has posted a poll on Twitter asking if Dogecoin Shiba Inu should be considered as a payment option for purchasing movie tickets and other services that they offer in the States. Now, the development comes nearly a month after the movie theater chain enabled Dogecoin payments on its platform, so that'd be great news for Shibu Inu. Now, let's talk about some of the downside risk to this, folks, because there's a lot of downside risk. It's huge. One has to be aware that the coin itself does lack some competitive advantages from other cryptocurrencies coins out there, and it could also come down in a spectacular crash. This is a huge possibility with the Shibu Inu. One has to look at what the technical aspects of this coin is new from the 460,000 ERC20 tokens out there that function on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, one technical challenge is the low transaction capacity, which is only 13 per second. Now, to overcome that, we'll have to have a strong brand and development team to keep the token relevant. Now, without a significant technological challenge or advantage at this point, Shibu Inu may flourish or die in the long term, mostly on the strength of the brand. Another huge downside risk is its extreme volatility. According to Coinbase, Shibu Inu investors hold the token for just about 11 days, 11 to 13 days, in contrast with Bitcoin and Ethereum, which average hold times of 83 to 80 days. So one could take away that Shibu Inu investors are looking for just a quick flip instead of a long-term investment. So if the market speculators and momentum traders start to abandon ship all at once, a pullback could snowball quickly, potentially crushing long-term investors. Now, I don't know if I would say this is a con, but Tesla CEO Elon Musk doesn't like the coin, and he said he only owns Bitcoin and Ethereum and Dogecoin. Now, this brings me up to some of the fake news regarding Tesla. The news was that Tesla was going to start accepting Shibu Inu. Now, this is pure rumor and speculation with no real facts to back this claim, especially when the CEO of Tesla doesn't like Shibu Inu as a coin anyways, so I wouldn't take too much stock in this one article. Now, another con is the lack of some real-world utility. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, Shibu Inu is virtually no use for investors outside the cryptocurrency exchange. Shibu Inu is accepted as a payment by only about 100 global vendors, according to CryptWork. Those vendors are largely obscure cryptocurrency-themed businesses, but if AMC did use the coin, then that would change that little aspect, and maybe more vendors would come on board. Now, there's nothing unique about Shibu Inu's fees, transaction speed, and structure to make it more useful or practical than hundreds or even thousands of other cryptos. The Big Short investor Michael Burry recently called Shibu Inu pointless. Burry took a particular issue with Shibu Inu's supply of 1 quadrillion coins, suggesting the massive supply limits potential price appreciation. Now, do realize almost half of those coins have been burned. So let's again go over the price analysis. Now, I have up here a coin market cap, and they say there's a total max supply of 589.7 trillion tokens or coins, as they say. If the price goes up to 1 cent, that means Shibu Inu would be worth $5.9 trillion, which would eclipse all the other cryptocurrencies on the market right now, including Bitcoin. Now, you have to ask yourself one question. What is the likelihood of this? It's doubtful. But from the price right now of 0.00007 cents, there's a great chance if everyone starts piling into this coin for some massive gains, but I highly doubt it would ever reach 1 cent, let alone $1. But then again, it's theoretically possible, but only time will tell. So let me bring it back over here. So based on all that, I am a buy in HODAR in regards to Shibu Inu. I also plan to, for fun, to keep track of the major future dips to think about buying more in this for the long haul. And I'm not too worried about losing this small investment I made within the Shibu Inu. I believe that the momentum is starting to build, possibly for a big jump over the next few months. Short-term investors can make a lot on the volatility swings I've been looking at. I mean, it's definitely been a wild ride right now. But remember, folks, this is a purely speculative play. And if you don't mind parting with your money, have some of the SHIB and sit down, shake that wallet, and lay down for a treat. I wouldn't recommend selling the farm on this meme stock coin. So there you have it, folks. And as always, don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell if you like your daily stock reviews and recommendations and cryptocurrency reviews and recommendations from an unbiased source. Until the next stock of cryptocurrency updated video later today, folks. Ciao.